everyone, welcome to our channel Ray. Today I am going to talk about social stories. You might have heard about social stories, especially to help children to learn new communication skills, sort with some of the behavioral issues, etc. This is one of the example. This is how some of the social stories will look like with pictures and simple sentences down there. So let's look into the video now. Let's start with what social stories are. These are the individualized short stories that explains a social situation that an individual may encounter inappropriately with some problem behavior or unaccepted way. And this contains sequential stories talk about precise sequential information of any situation with options or alternate plans. These aim at appropriate communication skills, alternate behaviors, copying skills, etc. So this mainly focusing about if there is any problem behavior, how to fix it. There are alternative plans about them, like how to behave in situations when they behave in the other way. And this is focusing on communication skills, alternate behaviors, copying skills, etc. Okay. Who will benefit? Individuals with developmental delays, autism, hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, intellectual and developmental disabilities, ADHD, behavioral or emotional disorders. Why it is beneficial? Social stories involve visuals that can help prepare a child or an individual for a new or familiar home and community activities and allows him to know what is expected and how to complete a routine. Reduce anxiety during new activity or non-preferred activity. Clearly communicate what the expectation is for the day or routine. Utilize ahead of time or in the moment to help individuals understand what is coming soon or what is happening now. Increase overall independence in variety of skill areas. Redirect negative behaviors with little or no language. Support safety concerns. Now let's look into example of a social story. So this social story is about wearing a mask. So these are having pictures with some details down there. Because of coronavirus, I need to wear a mask when I go places. People in my family, neighborhood and community are wearing masks. My mask keep me safe. Your mask keep me safe. I need to wear a mask even when I feel healthy. It is important to wear a mask every time I leave the house. I should always wash my hands before putting on my mask. My mask will cover my nose, mouth and chin. It may feel snug. When I return home and take off my mask, I should wash my hands. Wearing a mask keeps everyone safe. So that's about this social story. Now let's look into the parts what is important about a social story. So it should have some pictures and simple sentences. Now let's look into the other factors we have to really look into. While considering creating or selecting a social story, we need to see few important points. Those are descriptive sentences. So the sentences have to be descriptive about what, why, where, etc. And it should have directive sentences. It should be clear instructions. It should have a perspective sentences about how people feels about it. It's about responses or feelings to a given situation. And it should have affirmative sentences like referring to a rule or law. This is the rule, or honesty is a good behavior. That's why we should do in a particular way. And there should be cooperative sentences. What is our supportive system? Supporting system is a set of people around that human being. So we need to identify and keep that person or people in the stories. And there should be control sentences. That means these strategies are something that would be working for this particular person, and we have to make sure we will use only such kind of sentences. And we can also include some partial sentences, some fill in sentences where the student can fill in themselves the answers. Something like, I will feel happy when I get chocolate. Now let's start looking into the key do's and do nots. Read enough samples before you are creating for yourself. Keep it simple. Use the language that the individual is very familiar with. Keep the story as short as possible. Know why you are writing the story and know what you want to achieve from it. Consider if it is emotionally safe for the student. Individuals need to be helped towards the appropriate responses, not too forced into it. Think carefully before creating the structure of the story. Okay, so that's all about today's video. These are the references. Let us know if you want to know more about social stories or if you want more examples of social stories. These are personalized stories to an extent, but yet we can work on them like a generic perspective also. Some common issues, some common topics also we can consider.